How to change or update your Spotify username. So to start, we'll just have to open our Spotify account and then in here tap on this profile icon. After that, go to the settings and privacy option and then in here tap on the account option. After that, you will now see this username option. But even if we tap on this one, we cannot edit it here. So what we need to do is to tap on this email option and then after that, we will be redirected to this page edit profile. And then in here, I'll just try to tap on the username option. But unfortunately, we still can't edit our username here. What we need to do is to go back and then tap again on this profile icon. Then go to this view profile option. After that, tap on the edit option. So as of now, the only way for us to change our Spotify username is by changing our Spotify name. So as an example, I'm going to change mine to Wixie09. Once I'm done, I'll just have to tap on the save option. So as you can see here, it automatically changed my Spotify name to Wixie09. So that's how you can change or update your Spotify username. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!